What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency, such as Bitcoin, that is used as an alternative payment method or speculative investment. Cryptocurrencies get their name from the cryptographic techniques that let people spend them securely without the need for a central government or bank. Here are a few examples. 1. Bitcoin was initially developed primarily to be a form of payment that isn't controlled or distributed by a central bank. While financial institutions have traditionally been necessary to verify that a payment has been processed successfully, Bitcoin accomplishes this securely without that central authority. 2. Ethereum uses the same underlying technology as Bitcoin, but instead of strictly peer-to-peer payments, the cryptocurrency is used to pay for transactions on the Ethereum network. This network, built on the Ethereum blockchain, enables entire financial ecosystems to operate without a central authority. To visualize this, think insurance without the insurance company, or real estate titling without the title company. Scores of altcoins, broadly defined as any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, arose to capitalize on the various, and at times promising, use cases for blockchain technology.